Hi, yoga buddies! Today we're going to do a big, yummy stretch to help our bodies feel loose and happy. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to practice yoga with us again. Let's begin. Standing tall, feet grounded, arms by sides, chest open, confident, calm stance. Stand tall. Bring hands to hips or raise them gently upward. Arch slightly back while keeping neck comfortable. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Fold forward from the hips, knees slightly bent, hands reaching toward the floor, head relaxed and heavy. From forward fold, lift your chest halfway. Place hands on shins. Keep back long and flat. Gaze slightly forward. Form an upside-down V, hands and feet pressing into the mat. Legs long, spine stretched, head relaxed between arms. Step 1 foot forward into a deep lunge. Back knee on the mat, hips sinking gently. Hands rest on the front thigh. Switch sides. Front knee bent, back legs straight, hips facing forward, arms reaching up. Alternate between left and right. Step your feet wide. Bend the front knee and extend your arms sideways at shoulder height. Look over the front hand. Repeat on left and right sides. Front leg straight, torso leaning over it. One arm up and one arm down. Chest open. Alternate between left and right. Sitting with legs extended, hinge from the hips and fold forward, reaching toward feet with a long spine. Lying on back, knees bent, feet grounded, hips gently lifted. Lying flat on back, legs relaxed, arms by sides with palms up, soft belly, eyes closed, peaceful expression. Before we finish, let's stay here and take slow, calm breaths for 30 seconds. Feel your body relax and enjoy how good it feels after stretching. Amazing job, yoga buddies! You stretched your body so beautifully today. If you had fun, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. See you next time for more yoga. Namaste!